What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to play Yellow by Coldplay on the good old uke. As always, I will have the full timestamps for each section in this video in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you want to skip ahead to the strumming, or if you already know the chords, then skip ahead if you want to. But if you're like Ricky, I just started playing a second ago, or I've been playing for a while but I need a refresher, worried about my fingers on the uke for each chord, then just keep on watching. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see, and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. How we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So your fingers should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the G chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then finally, you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So your fingers should look like this on the uke, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the G minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna go ahead and put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. Alright, so those are all the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and learn how we're going to play this song. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got no time for strumming. I just learned this chords. I just love this song. I want to get through it. Please don't add any strumming patterns. I got you. So the first way that we're going to play the song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb all 4 strings. And then as soon as you see a new chord change, you're gonna strum down again. And you're just gonna do that throughout the entire song when you see a new chord, and it will sound absolutely amazing. Also, what I do want to note is that the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song will be live on Patreon. It is already live now, so check the link in the description or in the top of the comments, and you can download the full chord sheet, which is the full lyrics and chord, and the chord is right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. And then also, for your convenience, here on YouTube for free is the full play along video, which consists of me strumming and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen. So it's a super easy play along for you. So definitely recommend to check that out after you watch this video and learn the chords and the strumming. That is again free on YouTube. Again, links for everything will be down below and also in the top of the comments. But let's go ahead and talk about again just the down strum. So you're just gonna do a simple down strum when you see a new chord change, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. And the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full ukulele play along video, which is live on YouTube again. Link in the description below, so definitely go check that out after you watch and learn this song on the tutorial right here. But the strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So let's slow that down a little bit more. It's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern down, down, up, 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 down, up, twice for every chord for majority of the chords, but there is going to be an instance where you're just going to do 2 down strums for a chord. But we'll go ahead and talk about that in just a second. But again, for majority of the chords, it's going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. And again, in the full play along video on YouTube that's live right now, I do know what strumming pattern you need to do for every chord. So again, you're gonna see the strumming and it's gonna change, and you'll see that in the bottom left corner and all the chords and lyrics on screen for that as well. So again, it's just going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. You're going to do that strumming pattern twice for every chord, but again, there is going to be an instance where you do 2 down strums. So it's going to be this section where it goes, your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones. So you can even hear that it's a little bit quicker, so that's why you do the 2 down strums. So it's going to be F, your skin, and then it goes A, oh yeah, your skin and bones. So you're going to do the 2 down strums for A minor, down, down, and then G. So you're going to do F, and then you're going to just repeat that in that section. So you're going to hear it kind of changes a little bit in the song. And again, in the full play along video, you'll see exactly what strumming pattern you need to do for that chord. So again, it's just going to, majority of the song is going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. And there's going to be an instance where you're going to be doing 2 down strums for the chord. But again, a majority of the song is going to be a down, down, up, 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 down, up. And again, on the full downloadable PDF chord sheet on Patreon, I do annotate what chords need to get the longest strumming pattern or the shorter strumming pattern. And then again, obviously on the YouTube play along video, you will also know exactly when to do the long strumming pattern or the 2 down strums for each chord. So those are the 2 different ways you can play this song. And again, I highly encourage you to kind of push yourself. But if you're like, Ricky, I'm just learning, I just want to do a simple down strum, it'll sound absolutely amazing. So those are the 2 different ways that you can play the song on the uke. All right, so we learned the chords and the couple different ways you can play the song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Yellow by Coldplay on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Kisses to you. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you're like, Ricky, that uke sounds amazing, it looks amazing, I need the details on this uke. Well, let me tell you, this is a concert-sized Enya ukulele. It's a blue mahogany wood. Absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link in the description below. I love the detail of the cherry blossom design on the headstock and the orange accents, and obviously the blue uke, which is my favorite color. So link for this will be down below. It also does come in a tenor size, which I'll also link down below if you're interested in a size up. Again, this is a concert size and it sounds and looks amazing. So thank you so much to Enya for making high quality and affordable ukes. So again, that'll be down below. And talking about links in description, links to the merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, and also links to all of my socials will be down below. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to friend me, say hi, send me a DM, let's get chatting. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.